Singapore, often referred to as the Lion City of Southeast Asia, is one of the world's leading hub of key industries in food and beverage, chemicals, pharmaceutical and power. With an ability to produce 800 megawatts, Pacific Light Power is committed to provide sustainable energy in this dynamic and fast-changing environment.
Pacific Light is a Singapore-based power generator and electricity retailer. We are a one-stop energy partner for businesses, providing unparalleled services and competitive prices.
The company operates a combined cycle gas turbine power plant, the first in Singapore to be completely fueled by liquefied natural gas, and also generating over 9% of Singapore's total electricity requirements.
Operating in a highly competitive market requires that we minimize our operating costs, but not at the expense of safety, reliability and efficiency. Our facility has Siemens gas turbines which comply with the stringent air emission standards and are able to ramp up to full capacity in 60 minutes. Maximizing efficiency not only produces electricity with the least emissions, but more importantly, benefits our consumers through our competitive pricing.
Since the plant's construction in 2011, Siemens and Pacific Light has a long-term service agreement to restore performance degradation and remote engineering service to tackle day-to-day issues. Through this arrangement, Siemens' engineering team is well positioned to understand the condition of the plant and provide long-term solutions to any possible issues that Pacific Light may encounter.
We were previously using a mechanical throttling valve control for the feed flow to the HRG boiler drum in our feed water system. We consumed a considerable amount of electrical energy as the motors of the pumps were running at close to full speed and the upstream high pressure feed water control valve was open to control the valve. This caused severe valve erosion.
The Cinemix GH180 Perfect Harmony converter system was placed in an E-house near the boiler feed pump. This offers benefits such as a climate-controlled, simple, fast installation and integration into the existing plant infrastructure.
Because of the unique multi-cell topology design, the Cinemix Perfect Harmony converter does not cause any significant stress on the motor insulation or bearing.
With the Cinemix GH180 Perfect Harmony converter system, it controls the feed water flow that reduces our auxiliary power consumption and improves the next generation output and efficiency of each unit. It also ensures the required harmonic distortion and power factor of the plant distribution grid were not affected.
The installation of this VSD project controlled the speed of the pump and modulated the discharge pressure optimally according to the load profile, delivering the required flow at a much lower motor power. The pressure difference across the throttle control valve has now been reduced from 100 bar to 20 bar. It has also reduced auxiliary power consumption of the feed water pump, thereby improving the generation output and efficiency of our unit.
Siemens also provided training for the duty operators and maintenance personnel to undertake operation and maintenance after commissioning. It comprises design concept, installation, commissioning and troubleshooting, covering all operating shifts. With a combination of Siemens' high-quality solutions and Pacific Light Power's engineering expertise, the company achieved a reduction of instantaneous power usage between 30% to 50% for the boiler feed pump at its typical operating point, a net efficiency improvement of 0.3% to 0.4%.
Siemens offers 4 units of variable speed drive together with 2 units of E-house. We integrated the VSD with existing DCS systems via Profibus DP. Until now, variable speeds has been done in similar plants using hydraulic control. The success of implementation and execution of electrical control variable speed drive set a benchmark in Singapore and Asia Pacific region.
The partnership today is not by chance, but by commitment from both sides, with the relationship built on mutual trust and respect. We know that Siemens delivers a quality project on time and within budget.
Siemens and Pacific Light Power are both integral components of the plant's ability to maintain a low probability of plant failure, respond adequately to system transients, and ensure an operational flexibility to meet the requirements of the Singapore market.
As part of our constant desire to improve plant efficiency and business performance, we completed a modification to our plant in 2014, which resulted in significant reduction to our on-site electricity consumption and has led to annual cost savings of $5.7 million.
Pacific Light's power plant stands as one of the most efficient operating units in the Singapore power market today. Together with Siemens, Pacific Light Power remains as efficient and reliable as it is today. By utilizing responsibly the environment resources, such as water and electricity, Pacific Light Power continues to be the reliable energy source with a reduced carbon footprint in Singapore.